Alright guys, excuse me. So we're gonna do it's about a 36-hour cold start here on the E46. The reason I have it jacked up, because we're gonna go under the car. I'm gonna demonstrate we don't have any engine noise. God, excuse me. And I also want to talk about the tarnish on the oil pan. I want to kind of show, I'm gonna rub it. I don't know what it is. Maybe someone who lives, the car came out of Washington State, so maybe something to do with, I have no idea. But anyway, we're gonna kind of look at it together and go from there. So everything's normal. We're right at that temperature. You're not going to see pretty much any vapors or condensation or anything. So I don't know, you can't even hear it, but the air pump's on. It just went off for the cold start procedure. There's the VIN stamp on the strut tower, and we should have our color code right down there. It's a neat color. Orient blue. Pretty cool. Don't see a lot of these. And 80,000 miles on a 25-year-old vehicle, I'd say is pretty low. So here we have some, tarnish on, or rust, whatever you want to call it, on the bolt heads, kind of as you would completely expect. There's a little here on the sway bar, nothing too bad. I don't see anything that would hinder working on it. So I don't know, this is what I'm talking about. I mean, I guess it would rub off. I didn't try very hard. Yeah, it would rub off. Okay. So I guess it's just dirt. And it's on the transmission also. But again, I mean, yes, it came from, like I've said, and like we can see from the Carfax, it did come from Washington State. No secret there. As a result, you are going to have some tarnish, rust, whatever you want to call it. And I guess that's not optimal, but these cars are becoming super hard to find, so you kind of take what you can find if you want an early E46 manual. Alright, well there you go guys. Oh man, I gotta get up now. Getting too old for this. So we got a little bit of vapor coming out after everything's warmed up. I don't even know if you can, oh, you can see it, yeah. And then it disappears as it goes up, like it's supposed to. Alrighty, folks, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my gallery this evening or this afternoon, and we'll get her sold. If you got questions, just let me know, and thank you.